Yeah, hello everyone. Namaste to all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Jai Yoga Academy. So I hope you all are good and doing your yoga practice every day. So if you are new on this channel, so please subscribe it for more updates about yoga. So today I'm here to for the weight loss class. So today I will teach you some postures, some asanas and exercise. So you can do that every day and you can reduce your weight also. So first of all, just sit in this position. We'll start here. Keep your back straight, bend your legs. Slowly, just try to straight your legs up. Here, just try to hold this pose, try to make balance and make sure your legs straight, your back straight. If you cannot make balance, cannot lift your legs, you can bend also. Try to hold it here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Try to straight your hands front. Both pose here. Just hold it. Try to lift your legs up. Belly in. Look front. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Legs down. Inhale. Exhale. After that, Paschimottanasana. Hands up. Take inhale. Try to lift your shoulder, lift your back, lengthen your spine with exhalation. Try to go down. Just try to go slow. So this pose you can do 3 to 5 times and you can hold it also. If you have little back pain, so please avoid this pose. Otherwise, try to touch your belly and your chest to the thighs. Try to straight leg, drop your knee down, flex your feet and then try to look down. Normal breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come back. Inhale and exhale. Just relax your hands. So the next pose, in this you can do the Vakrasana or you can do the Ardha Matsyendrasana. So I will teach you the both of the asanas. So in this, just bend your one leg, one hand up, inhale and exhale. Here, try to put it from near to the shoulder to the knee. Put your one hand behind and here you can try to hold your foot. Open your chest, keep your back straight, straight leg, flex foot and both shoulder in a same line. Try to look back. 5. If you cannot hold your foot, just bend your elbow here. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Same from the opposite side. Now bend your right leg here, left hand up. Inhale and exhale. The same pose with both sides. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Okay. So now here I am telling you the another pose also. If you can do little bit more advanced. In this, just bend your one leg and cross your leg here. And after that, you have to do the pose Ardha Matsyendrasana, very good pose. And then try to look back. If you cannot hold your foot, the same you can bend your elbow here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Now the same from the opposite side. Just try to do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly look front, come back, inhale, exhale. Okay, so the now just drop your elbow down, take it little bit behind so you can lying down here easily. Very slow, straight your leg. So here first bend and then straight your legs. Don't touch your feet to the floor, feet together. Bend your knee, then straight. Bend, then straight. Bend, then straight. Exhale. Bend, straight. Bend, then straight and hold it. 5, 4, legs straight here. 3, 2, 1. Both legs up and look up. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this time you can raise your one leg up, one leg down. Also you can try here 5 to 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Very good. Just bend your knee and drop it to the left side. Look right side. So you have to do it with the both sides. Center inhale, exhale. Knee and feet together. Very good. So now here, just everyone lying down on your back. Relax your body. So here you can put your hand to the side, bend your leg, try to touch your feet to the hip, open your feet parallel to the hip, palm facing down, inhale, lift your hip up and exhale. Inhale up and exhale. So here also you can do 5 to 10 times. One more time. Hold it here. 5, 4, 3, 2. Right leg up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Leg down, opposite side. Leg up. 5, 4, up, up, up. 3, 2, 1. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Now both legs, bend it and upside. Take your both hands behind your head. Now inhale and exhale. Just straight hand. Knee and hip align, same line. Knee and ankle also. Come back down. Inhale. Exhale. So here you can do 5 to 10 times according to your body condition. Just straight your hands front. Okay, so then last time you can hold it 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Good. After that, just bend your right leg and try to straight your left leg. Touch your feet near to the knee. Bend it, toes point. Inhale, exhale. Up. Try to touch your knee to the chin here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back down. Now change your leg position. Inhale, exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back down. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale, exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Come back down. Inhale. Change your leg position and exhale last. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly, slowly go down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Good. So this time just straight your leg, feet together, hands behind. Yes. Inhale, right leg up, exhale, both hands front, leg straight, 90-degree here. Then come back down, change your leg position. Inhale, exhale. Try to do it slow. All the awareness should become on your belly, up. Then down, inhale. With exhalation, chest up, hands up, legs up, look front. Come back down, inhale. Exhale. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back down. Inhale. Exhale. For the last time, inhale and exhale. Slow, slow, chest up, straight your hands here. Hold it. 5, try to raise your leg up, chest up. 4, be strong. 3, 2 and 1. Come back down. Inhale, exhale. Try to do with me. Good. Inhale and exhale. So now here you can bend your leg. Inhale, exhale. Try to touch your ankle. Open your feet little bit and try to touch it down. Palm together. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Just try to hold it now. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. So this time you can put your hand to the side, straight your leg and feet together, palm facing down, both legs up, straight, then down, slow, up, then down, up, then down, up and down. Last time, up, hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands behind. Inhale, exhale, chest up, hold it. Legs straight, feet together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Very nice. So here you can do the cycling also. Just bend your leg, one leg straight and do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Do the opposite. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Very good. Just relax. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now bend your right leg, hug your knee. Inhale, exhale, chest up. Try to keep your elbow close, hug your knee and touch your thigh to the chest. Try to touch your knee by your chin and left leg straight to the 30 degree. 5, elbow close. 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Wind release pose. Pavan Muktasana. Very good pose. Now the opposite side. Hug your knee. Inhale. Exhale. Push your leg, chest up and right leg up 30 degree. Elbow close, toes pointed, look front. Touch your knee by your chin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, exhale. Now the last, bend your leg, hug it. Inhale, exhale, chest up. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, exhale. Now bend your leg, hold your feet here, fingers, and then relax your back, both sides. And now very slow, you can lying down here. So these are the some asanas, some exercise. So you can practice it every day and you can reduce your belly fat and you can make your core strength and you can make your body more strong. So please guys, if you like my video, so give me your comments and give me your feedback. So it's give me more inspiration. So please, if you are new on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe. Okay, please subscribe it and get more updates. Thank you so much and namaste. Hari Om.